Hey guys, it's Gabrielle. I am here with Ben. Now we are going to be doing a driving video, very exciting. It's going to be on the 2020. This is the Dodge Challenger, it's the Hellcat, and this is the Redeye. So Ben, tell everybody a little bit about this and then where we're going to take it for a drive.
Sure, absolutely. So this is, like Gabby had said, the 2020 Dodge Challenger Hellcat Redeye. This is the fastest, most powerful, quickest performance vehicle on the market currently. It's got 797 horsepower and 707 pound-feet of torque. You're gonna notice massive hood scoops for air intake to get that supercharged 6.2 liter V8 engine all the air it can get so that it can get top performance. Now what's really cool is this is the wide body configuration, so you're gonna notice the extended fender flares here. What these extended fender flares do is they add an additional 3.5 inches of width to this vehicle, accommodating for the larger wide body tires to get all of that power, more of it to the ground there, which gives you just better pickup, better performance overall. So yeah, we're going to be taking it onto 64, go through the tunnel there right before Grinstead, and just let you all hear the supercharger on this, kind of see the performance, the audio, all that good stuff.
All right, I'm excited. Let's go.
All right, guys, while we're at a stop here, I wanted to show you a few things on the Uconnect screen here. So you've got a lot of extra pages on our Uconnect 8.4 screen. One of them is the SRT dashboard. Now, this is equipped with launch mode, different drive modes. I'll click right here for you. You have track, sport, you can customize it. Going back here, you also have your performance pages, which is really cool. It's going to show you like G-forces. If you do some drag racing, it's actually going to have timers on there so that you can look at your various drag times and all that good stuff. It just takes a moment here to load. There we are. So now it's going to measure your horsepower, the gear that you're in, G-force like I talked about. There are your gauges for all of your vehicle mechanics. You've got the timers that I was talking about for different drag modes and all that good stuff. Look at engine performance right there. It's just really cool. Whenever you get an SRT, specifically one of this caliber, the 797 horsepower, 707 pound-feet of torque, this is the fastest, most powerful, quickest production vehicle on the market currently. You get a lot of fun tools to be able to play with on our Uconnect screen. So we're getting up on the expressway here. I'm actually going to take us onto 64 so that we can hear the roar of this supercharged 6.2 going through the tunnel there on 64 right by Grinstead. So we'll definitely get a good audio when we go by there. And I'll just leave the gauge up here so that you can keep an eye out on it. Up above here too, this one is equipped with the power sunroof. So the headliner portions manual, the control for the sunroof is located right up here in the center. That is an available option on the Redeye. Some people prefer to have the sunroof, some people don't. Just a matter of preference. I'm not going to be using them on the demo drive here, but you do have optional paddle shifters, which is really great for, like I said, launch control, drag racing mode, all that good stuff. This one is equipped with blind spot monitoring on the side mirrors. I got to watch my speed. So we're right now going 67. This thing is so smooth for what it is that you don't realize how quick you're going. One thing too that I wanted to point out, with this being a Hellcat Redeye, you're going to notice the specific interior features like the red on the gauges there. Right in front of Gabby on the right side, you'll see the SRT Redeye logo. What I love about the Redeye is when you're looking at a Redeye compared to a Hellcat, really the only difference you're going to see aesthetics-wise is that little red eye on the Hellcat logo. It's just very, very muted. And I love that about this vehicle. You think that you're impressed initially because you think it's a Hellcat, and then you see the red eye on it, and you're like, oh, this is even more powerful than the red eye.
Score. The key too, the red mean like the red eye?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay. So yeah, so the key fob too is red.
So another feature that this vehicle is equipped with is what's called connected services. The way we know that this one is equipped with connected services are due to the two buttons right up here. It's through a system called Uconnect Sirius XM Guardian. Assist connects you to a Uconnect Care Expert, and SOS can get you to emergency services for fire, EMT, and police if needed. You also have universal garage door openers right here, right in front of the sunroof holders, or excuse me, the sunroof controls, and all of your standard dual climate zones, all that good stuff. Carbon fiber interior over here. I'm going to go ahead and get in the left-hand lane here. We're about to get up on the tunnel. We're really going to be able to hear the supercharged engine. I'm going to open up the sunroof now so y'all can get a good audio on it. Here we go.
Whee! That was pretty sweet.
We're hopping back on the interstate here. Tunnel's just a quarter of a mile ahead of us. Everything about this vehicle is tuned to performance, obviously, from the steering wheel, the way that you're able to grip it, to even the seating itself. The seating, I'm sure you noticed, Gabby, kind of hugs you in place.
It does.
Which obviously at high speeds with high G-forces, having that there to keep you in place so you can just focus on the road is super important in a vehicle like this.
It is. Yeah, these seats feel good. I like it.
Extremely comfortable.
They are.
A lot of other muscle cars, our competitors, you almost feel squished in, but even a bigger guy like me, I feel perfectly comfortable in this vehicle. I'm going to drop down speed a little bit so that we can accelerate in the tunnel. Again, hear that sound from the engine. All right, here we go.
All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed that. I know we had a lot of fun driving this vehicle. That engine sounds amazing. All right, now if you all have any questions, feel free to let us know. All of our contact information is listed right here. Thanks so much, guys, for joining in. We'll see you all soon. Bye.